Okay, say about the life cycle hooks in LWC. Yeah, we have in LWC we have like constructor, connected callback, disconnected callback, error callback, and rendered callback. This we use this each type of this life cycle hooks in a life cycle of an Lightning Web component. So the first of all the constructor. So whenever the component is created, so the this constructor will get called. So this is a good place to actually set up the default values, or we can initialize things here. And then coming to the connected callback, this will be called when the component is actually added to the page. So we can set up the event listeners here. We can or we can fetch the data in the connected callback. We can do that here. So in the rendered callback, so after the component is rendered to its HTML, so the rendered callback will be called. So if you want to focus on any field once a page gets loaded, after that, if I want to focus on any field, so I can do that in the rendered callback. So in the disconnected callback, so once the component is removed from the page, so this will be called. So we can use this for the cleanup activities like unsubscribing from the unsubscribing the events here. So we can do this. So error callback will be called. So if something goes wrong in the rendered callback, so we can cache those errors in the error callback here. Explain about LDS. Okay, so LDS, okay, is basically the Lightning Design Service. So through LDS we can fetch the records. We can perform the create, update, read, update, delete operations without using the Apex. So we have the different methods like get record, update record, delete record. So we have these methods. So using this, we can without using the Apex or without taking any passing the list of records to the again JS, we can directly use this LDS. So this LDS will actually it will enforce the Salesforce sharing rules and all validation rules. It will consider all this in the LDS. Yes. So if we want to apply the styles based on the template loaded, so then how can I, without using CSS, how can I want to apply styles based on the template? Say without CSS. So without CSS, I think we can do it using the SLDS, Salesforce Lightning Design System. So it is a Salesforce and native CSS tool. So we can use the SLDS tools here. So using that SLDS tags, we can apply the styling for the component. I have a requirement HTML template A, B, C. Based on the profile, we need to load A or B or C. Okay, so we can say like so A, B, C are some different profiles. So based on that, we need to show them a different HTML template. So for that, okay, we can show the dynamic HTML template, different templates using the render, and we can also check for the their profiles in the JavaScript. So based on the profile, so we'll be displaying, we'll be making, we'll be making a flag true or false. So based on that flag, if it is true, then I will display that HTML block to that particular user. Yes. For example, for example, I have a component A and B. for system admin UI. Okay, and B. Okay, for system admin UI should be component A, HTML template A, and another user it's B. So in LWC, where you code it because HTML is server side. Okay, so we have two components A and B, and system admin should see the component A, and the rest of the user should see the component B. So said yes. Okay, it's the same approach we will be following here. So we use the render. So based on that render, so we'll be displaying the two different templates here. Based on the profile, we will check for the profile and we will make this templates true or false. Based on the conditional rendering, we can show if it is true, I will show a template A. If it is else, I will show this template B for the rest of the users.
Okay, fine, John. You're done with an interview. Our team will
Yes.
get back to you on the updates. Thank you for joining the meeting.